Assalamu alaikum students. Students, today we are going to start our English spoken class, and I am going to speak some of the sentences for you, and you listen them carefully, and you speak after me, and you try to speak these sentences in your routine matters. I can talk. I can write. I can swim. I can read. I can listen. I can speak. I can go. I can sing. I can bake. I can eat. Hope you understand these sentences. Try to use these sentences in your routine and daily life. And this is the first class of our spoken session. Take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.